Today I'll show you how to install and play God of War GOS or Sparta on Android using the PPSSPP Emulator. Now to get this done, simply open your Play Store app and then search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, it's going to bring out the emulator. Now you can either download this free version, or you can go ahead and download this gold version. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. Once you are done downloading your emulator, then go ahead and download this app called Z Archiver. This is the app that you are going to be using for extraction when it comes to your game. So you can see it, Z Archiver app. Now once you are done downloading these two apps, then open your emulator for the first time. Once you open your emulator for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Simply click on OK. It's going to take you to your directory, then select any folder. As for me, I like using the document folder, so I'll click on document, use this folder, allow, then I'll click on OK, and it's going to bring me to my PSP interface. Now while in the interface, you observe that there is no game in here for me to play. That's because I've not extracted any game. So to extract a game, simply go to your Z Archiver app. Once you open your Z Archiver app, just locate your game file. In this video, we're going to be locating the God of War game file. So I'm going to go to my download section. You see download. You can see I'm having the God of War game file in here, but it's a zip file. A zip file cannot be played in an emulator. So the only way we're going to be able to play this game is by extracting the main file, which is the ISO file. So we're going to tap on it, click on extract here, and it's going to start extracting the ISO file. Now that it's done extracting the ISO file, we have to move it to the PSP folder. To do that, simply tap and hold on the ISO file, click on cut, go back to your main directory and locate your PSP folder. If you remember, my PSP folder is in the document section. So go to the PSP game folder, we'll paste it in here. Now we have to go and show our emulator where we are keeping this game. To do that, we'll reopen the PSP emulator. You can see it doesn't know where the game is. That's why the game is not here to play. So we're going to click on this browse icon at the top. Now we'll be able to show it where we are actually keeping our game. It's going to take us to the directory, which is the document directory where we kept our game. So go to PSP game. This is where we are keeping the games. So we'll click on use this folder, allow. So now you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now you are going to be needing some settings that are going to give you the best performance and FPS when you're actually playing this game on your Android device. I already have a dedicated video for that, so I'm going to be recommending that video at the end of this video. So please just stick to the end so you'll be able to access that video to get the best settings for your emulator, so you'll be enjoying your game way more better. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.